When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie.
Okay, today we are going to be making this cute little pizza origami bookmark. So it's very, very easy to make. I started with a 6x6 square of paper. If you make this and you think it's too small, you can make it bigger. You can make it 7x7 or 8x8. You can keep going. I mean, you can even make one this large if you want. This is a 10x10. So depending on the book that you want to put it on, you can make it smaller or larger. But it's very simple. There are only a few folds. You take your square and you're going to fold this corner to that corner to form a triangle. Make sure your creases are creased really, really well. Then you're going to take this corner right here and fold it up to this top fold, this top corner, and crease that. Okay? Now you're going to do the same to the other side. So you're going to fold this corner up to meet the middle here. So you're going to kind of have a diamond shape like that. So then you actually unfold it, and then you're going to peel up one layer of your fold, and you're going to take this corner and you're just going to fold it down to the bottom right here, and then you're going to crease like that. Okay? Now you have two more folds. You're going to take this side and you're going to fold it into this triangle right here and crease that. And then you're going to lift the whole thing up and tuck this part right here in and under this part to where this is even right here. And then you're going to crease that really well. And now you're going to do the same to the other side. You're going to fold this up till it gets here, and then you're going to tuck this inside right here. And you fold that down. So actually that's your bookmark. So now that fits right over, this part will fit over your pages. But now you get to decorate it however you want into a pizza. If you have, I went ahead and cut out my toppings right here, and here's my crust. If you don't have the paper, the extra paper that you have, you can color it with markers or crayons, however you want to do it. But I cut this little piece of crust out, and you just need some glue. And then you can just glue on all of your toppings, whatever toppings you like on your pizza. So just glue your crust at the very top like that, and then you can decorate your pizza, whatever you like. I like pepperoni, olives, and mushrooms. I know a lot of you guys are probably saying gross to that, but that's what I like. So I'm gonna decorate my pizza. Get these on here really fast. Whoop, sticking to my finger. All right. I might have made my mushrooms too big. Nah, we'll overlap them. All right, 2 more olives. Put that one right here. All right. Then you have your pizza bookmark. Okay, so if you want to, you can draw on top of the toppings that you cut out. You could even use felt if you have some felt. It's yours to decorate, yours to color on. So have fun making bookmarks.